What is going on in the Cleveland area real estate market as we start 2023? We're all doomed! Just kidding. But what's happening with mortgage rates? Where are home values headed? And is it too late to sell your home? Let's take a look and find out. Hi, I'm George Poporad with eXp Realty, and today we're going to take a look at the latest info on the real estate market for here in the Cleveland area to help you understand what is going on, because we have seen some pretty dramatic changes from this time last year. So let's take a look at some numbers, and then I'll give you my opinion on what the next few months might look like. Now, if you've watched any of these updates before, you know that I tend to focus mostly on the west side. Why the west side? Well, I live in Lakewood and do most of my business on the west side and in the western suburbs. I track data on about 15 suburbs monthly, so I have a real in-depth knowledge on these areas. But if you're looking for information on a specific area in Cleveland or a specific suburb, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be happy to share the trends and information I have so you can stay informed about your neighborhood. So first things first, here in Cuyahoga County, the number of new listings, which is how many single-family homes have come on the market in January of this year versus January of 2022, was up about 22% overall. So that's a pretty big shift from last year. The extreme seller's market we've experienced over the last few years was driven by supply and demand. The number of available homes for sale was far below the number of buyers looking to purchase. Towards the middle of the year, we started to see the inventory of available homes for sale creep up, and that trend is obviously continuing as we start 2023. Will it continue? I honestly don't know. But taking a look at a couple of individual west side suburbs, we are seeing an increase in new listings year over year in many cities. New listings in Bay Village are up 21%. Westlake is up 30%. Strongsville is up 45%, and new listings of single-family homes in North Olmsted are up 63% from the same time last year. Now, there are still cities where new listings are down from 1 year ago. Lakewood, Rocky River, and Fairview Park all had fewer listings come on the market in January. On the other side of the coin, how many homes are going off the market and under contract? New listings are up, so let's take a look and see how that's affecting the pendings. Cuyahoga County pending single-family homes are down 37% from January of last year to January 2023. So what is going on here? Well, with interest rates rising at the end of the year, there are many buyers who weren't able to purchase what they want to purchase. So you're seeing the pool of active buyers starting to shrink, and demand is starting to become a bit more even with the supply. Taking a look at a couple of individual west side suburbs, we are seeing the same thing across the board. Pending single-family homes in North Royalton are down 17% from this time last year. Westlake is also down 17%. Lakewood is down 20%, and pending single-family homes in Strongsville are down 24% from the same time period last year. Real quick, if you're taking anything away from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. I try and post new and helpful content regularly. So overall, pending homes are down while the number of new listings coming on the market is up. So the total inventory of available homes is obviously increasing. Overall in Cuyahoga County, the months of available inventory, which basically means if no more homes came on the market, how long would it take to sell all the homes currently on the market? Cuyahoga County is looking at over 3 months worth of inventory of single-family homes. Now this is up 46% from 1 year ago. Now this number is up in most of the areas nearby as well. Months of inventory in Bay Village is up 17%. Lakewood is up 25%. North Royalton is up 33%, and months of inventory in North Olmsted is up 69% from the same time period 1 year ago. So inventory is increasing while the number of homes going under contract is decreasing, so how quickly are homes actually selling? On average in Cuyahoga County, single-family homes are selling about 11% slower than they were 1 year ago. There are fewer homes going under contract and the total inventory is increasing, so obviously homes are going to be sitting on the market a little bit longer, especially since the number of active buyers is down. Taking a look at a few suburbs, Westlake single-family homes are selling about 7% slower, and Fairview Park homes are selling about 8% slower. On the other hand, single-family homes in Lakewood are selling about 7% faster, while homes in Brecksville are selling about 37% faster than they were 1 year ago. So now what is really going on? Well, mortgage rates have continued to rise. For a 30-year conventional loan, you're looking at rates around 6%, while 15-year fixed-rate loans you can find in the low 5s. The total inventory of available homes continues to increase, while the number of homes going under contract is decreasing. Now the stats still say we are in a seller-friendly market, but it's much more balanced than it was a year ago. Homes are sitting on the market longer, and we're seeing price reductions happen on a daily basis. But really nice homes that are priced right are still selling very fast. So now how are all these stats and factors affecting property values? Well, prices are finally starting to come down a bit in many areas. Looking at the median price point. Now again, the median price is the price that's right in the middle. 50% of homes sold above that price point and 50% of homes sold below that price point. But the median price point on single-family homes in Cuyahoga County is down about 5% from the same time last year. Looking again at a few individual cities, Lakewood single-family home values are down about 1%. Fairview Park is down about 4%, North Olmsted is down 17%, and Rocky River single-family home values are down about 36% from the same time last year. There are still some areas where prices are up year over year, and as we get further into 2023, I expect to see prices about where they were the second half of last year. So you've seen the numbers and you're thinking, well, George, what should I do? If you're thinking about buying a home and it makes sense for you, then buy now. Buying a home is an investment, but it's also a place to live, a place to raise a family, a place to make memories. On the other side of things, if you're thinking, is it a good time to sell my home? Like I said, the numbers still show that we're in a seller-friendly market. It is nowhere near as seller-friendly as it was a year or two ago. But if you think it might be time for you to sell, reach out. Let's have a conversation to see if it might make sense for you. So that's where the market is right now. Inventory has slowly been increasing, while demand has slowly been decreasing. Prices are starting to normalize a bit as we enter a more balanced market. Now, homes that are in really great shape, that are in great locations and are priced right, are still going to sell really fast and probably have multiple offers. But that probably won't be the norm this year. Once we get further into the year and see what interest rates are going to do, that will give us a better idea of what the market ahead might look like. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home here in the Cleveland area this year, or if you just have some real estate or home related questions, I would love the opportunity to help guide you through the process. So feel free to reach out. You can call, text, or email me. Let's just have a conversation to see if making a move right now might make sense for you. Thanks for watching.